For me personally, it's just about, that universal value of being honest to yourself. We're here at ADB to have an impact, on the communities that we serve through our projects and our programs. And that's what drives me. And part of that is ensuring that, I'm honest to myself, that I believe that I'm doing the best I can for the community that I serve, and doing the best as a representative of the Asian Development Bank.